You're welcome.
Now that was very important to call my mama. You know, she's 60 something. I needed to. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. That was very special to me. Really. Thank you. Worth 100. Do you want more? Really? I mean, if you want more money, I'll give you.
No, don't worry about it.
Hear me?
No.
I mean, I'm...
This gets on the... It gets on the...
Got